Hey there, it's Business Coach Steve, and today we're tackling a common yet critical challenge that many business owners face, and that's inconsistency in their business. This hurdle can actually slow your progress, really cause you to miss some opportunities, increase your stress, preventing you from achieving your long-term goals, and most importantly, from being happy. So have you ever felt if your business really wasn't moving forward fast enough, fast as it should? The issue might be inconsistency in your key activities in your business. It's crucial really to find a method that helps you to maintain focus and drive your daily progress. But what if I told you that by embracing one simple daily practice, you can really transform these challenges into a streamlined path towards achieving your goals. It's as simple as that. There's a saying out there that says one who loves walking will actually walk further than one who just loves the destination. So that's right. So overcoming inconsistency really starts with what I'm going to be referring to as not breaking the chain. So let me go ahead. I'm going to share with you a story that I actually heard from another action coach that really helps to make the point here. See, we've all heard of the comedian Jerry Seinfeld, right? He's, pretty successful comedian, has a really successful career. But once before he went on a show and he was backstage and there was another comedian back there with him. And then he asked Jerry for his secret to success. And Jerry's response was very simple, but it was profound. And it was simply as, don't break the chain. Yeah, that sort of, what do we mean by that? That sort of baffled the young comedian, and he had no idea what Jerry was talking about. So he explained then to the young comedian that his key to success is to write every day. It doesn't make a difference whether he's inspired not to, no matter where he is in the world, he has to write every single day. And then most importantly, that each time he would write, he would put an X on his calendar. The next day he would write and he would add another X. And then these X's started to connect together and really to make a chain. And his goal, he says, is never break the chain, my chain of writing. So this is a great visual reminder and a commitment to daily action that really fueled his longstanding success. So now the question is how can we apply this to your business to help you improve your consistency in your business? So first, you have to identify what your really key success activity or activities are. It could be one, two, maybe three different activities that if you think about it, that is, if it's done consistently, would really significantly impact your business. It could be anything that directly relates to the contribution to your goals. It could be networking, marketing, product development. It could be doing sales calls or cold calling. It could even be social media posts. It doesn't make a difference. You have to determine what that one important activity is that you need to do. I had a client that actually had his salespeople, and he had three different success criteria for them. And every day they had a chart at their desk, and they had to create their chain. And the thing was, it was like nobody wanted to break the chain, right? So that's the next step is you have to start your chain of success. Begin by making an X on your calendar for each day that you complete this activity. And this chain will not only serve as a daily motivator, but will also as a tangible track record for your dedication. And most importantly, you have to remember this, you have to protect your chain because we all know life is full of distractions, and it's really essential to safeguard this time. And you have to choose a time that's really the best part of the day for you to do this activity and then treat it as sacred. And then you'll find is that this consistent effort is crucial for not going ahead and breaking your chain. So by adopting this method, you're not only ticking boxes, you're building a robust framework for your business that enhances your focus, develops I guess the word is resilient habits motivates you continuously towards your progress and then ultimately drives you closer to reaching your goals every single day. And this is how you reduce that inconsistency that leads to that stress and replace it with predictability and accomplishments in your business. So the question is, are you ready to start your success chain and make each day count towards your business goals? If the answer is yes, let's go ahead and talk. Let's book a time that we could chat and we'll identify your really key success activities and devise a plan to ensure that you're never going to break that chain and transform your business one day at a time. So let's go ahead and get started.